Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using Docusign for your documents, you know how important it is to keep track of all activity for security and compliance. Today, I'm going to show you a complete 2025 guide on how to check audit logs in Docusign, so you'll always know who did what and when. Let's dive in. First, let's access Docusign. Open your web browser and go to the official website at www.docusign.com. Make sure you're using a secure browser to keep your information safe. Next, log in, click on the Login button, usually at the top right corner, and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Admin section. This is where all the management and reporting tools live. Within the admin dashboard, locate the Audit Logs feature. Depending on your account setup, it might be under Data, Reporting, or a similar section. Click on it and you'll see a detailed record of all document activities. Audit logs are incredibly powerful. They tell you exactly who accessed a document, what changes were made, and every important transactional detail. This isn't just useful, it's crucial for maintaining compliance and security, especially if you're handling sensitive or legal documents. Using audit logs regularly helps you monitor activity, detect unusual behavior, and ensure accountability across your team. It's a simple but essential step for protecting your organization and maintaining trust with your clients. And that's it. You now know how to check audit logs in Docusign quickly and efficiently. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Stay secure, stay compliant, and I'll see you in the next video.